Having trouble seeing your AirPods case battery level on your iPhone or iPad? You're not alone. This video will guide you through the common causes and solutions. Before we get into more complex solutions, let's try some quick fixes. First, make sure your AirPods case lid is fully closed and reopened. Ensure your AirPods case has some charge above 10%. Clean the charging contacts on both the AirPods and inside the case with a soft, dry cloth. Also, bring your iPhone or iPad closer to the case for better Bluetooth connectivity. These simple steps often resolve the issue immediately. Outdated software is a frequent culprit behind AirPods case battery not showing. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, then General, and Software Update. Then, ensure your AirPods firmware is up to date. This usually happens automatically when your AirPods are connected to your iOS device. Keep your AirPods in their case, connected to power, and near your iPhone or iPad to allow the update to complete. The newest firmware, such as version 6E209, has addressed software glitches that cause false readings or non-display issues. If the update doesn't happen automatically, try using your AirPods until they're nearly discharged. Then recharge them while keeping them near your device to force an update. Sometimes a simple Bluetooth reset can work wonders. Go to Settings, Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad. Find your AirPods in the list, tap the eye icon next to them, and select Forget this device. Then, put your AirPods back in their case, open the lid, and press the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. Reconnect your AirPods as if they were new. This reestablishes the connection and can fix data transmission interruptions. If the Bluetooth reset didn't work, a full reset of your AirPods might be necessary. This will erase all custom settings and restore them to factory defaults. To do this, put your AirPods in their case, close the lid. Wait 30 seconds. Then open the lid. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Your AirPods are now reset and ready to be reconnected. iOS 18.4 and later versions include enhanced battery diagnostics. Check your battery health settings for any warnings related to your AirPods or their case. While it might not directly show the case battery percentage, it can highlight potential issues. If you are part of the iOS 19 beta program, you may receive proactive alerts regarding potential battery sensor failures. Regular health monitoring can help identify problems early. If none of the software solutions work, you might be facing a hardware issue. This is more common in older AirPods models that are 2 to 3 years old due to battery degradation or faulty sensors. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for a professional diagnosis. Replacing the battery module yourself is possible, as shown by some tech reviewers, but be cautious as it can void your warranty. Looking ahead, Apple is incorporating AI-driven battery management to predict sensor failures before they occur. This proactive approach uses machine learning to analyze battery patterns and alert users to potential issues. Future AirPods models, like the rumored AirPods Pro 3, may feature advanced solid-state batteries with integrated health monitoring chips. These innovations promise near-zero failure rates by continuously tracking battery condition and performance. Current trends are also leaning towards improved wireless charging through MagSafe 2.0 technology. This advancement reduces wear on charging contacts and provides more reliable power delivery for consistent battery performance. By 2030, expect fully integrated battery diagnostics across Apple's ecosystem. Users may see augmented reality overlays in Vision Pro headsets that visualize battery status in real time, making it easier than ever to monitor and maintain AirPods' performance. These innovations represent a promising future for more reliable and user-friendly battery management in wireless earbuds. Apple's commitment to AI and advanced battery technology will continue to improve the AirPods experience for users worldwide.